In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your direct debits on the Tide bank. So you can cancel direct debit directly from the Tide app. Tide, of course, recommend canceling it at least 24 hours before the payment due dates and also notifying the company that you're paying. So as recommended by Tab or Tide, you'll have to go and open or cancel inside the application if you want to. Open the application, sign in into your account. If you are not signed in, then you'll have to click on pay, then click on send, click on upcoming payments, then select direct debits. From there, you'll have to find a list of your direct debits. So select the direct debits and tap on direct debits on the one that you want to cancel. And keep in mind that you'll need to cancel or request the cancellation at least 24 hours before the payment's due date and tell the PE about the change. If the PE, of course, collect the direct debits payments after you've canceled it, you can ask for a refund within 24 hours of the direct debits collection tab, the supports icon, and they will help you. So basically, this is a summary of what Tide is recommending you to. So you'll have to go and sign in into your account, go to your pay option, then click on send, click on open upcoming payments, select direct debits, and you will see a list of active direct debits. So choose the direct debit that you want to cancel, then click on cancel. Once you cancel it, of course, make sure to go and notify the company. Although direct debit has been canceled through Tide, you should also contact the company or organization that you are paying, and this will help prevent any future billing issues or disputes so they don't charge you, as example, by mistake. And if they do, as recommended by Tide, you within 24 hours you can click on the supports icon and Tide banking support will help you to get a refund. So that's basically how you cancel a direct debit on Site Bank. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.